Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called How to Find a Trustworthy Bathroom Remodeler in Phoenix. Now, if you've ever stood in your outdated bathroom and thought, this needs a makeover stat, you're in the right place. Finding the right bathroom remodeler can feel like trying to spot a cactus in a forest. But don't worry, because I'm here to guide you through this remodeling wilderness without stepping on too many metaphorical cacti. First things first, do your homework. Dive into research like a detective on a case, examining reviews, portfolios, and before and after photos, like they're crime scene evidence. Trustworthy remodelers leave behind a digital trail of satisfied clients. Think of it as their unique remodeling fingerprint. If you see consistent praise and sparkling success stories, you may have struck gold. Next, call in the cavalry, aka recommendations. Ask friends, family, and that friendly next-door neighbor who just had their bathroom redone. Personal referrals are like treasure maps leading to remodelers who have already proven themselves in the real-world crucible of tiles and fixtures. And get this, you'll want to ensure they're licensed and insured with all the necessary permits, locked up tighter than a cowboy's secret chili recipe. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. Having the right paperwork separates the pros from the folks who might turn your bathroom remodel into a never-ending sitcom of errors. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Contact your top contenders and meet them in person. It's like a date. You're judging their demeanor, punctuality, and whether they are truly vibing with your vision. A trustworthy remodeler looks you in the eye, keeps the lines of communication clear, and listens with the intent of translating your ideas into reality. Request an itemized quote before you commit, and if anyone is dancing around numbers, consider it your cue to exit stage left. Transparency isn't optional, it's essential. The right remodeler will not only provide a clear budget, but will also stick to it, like peanut butter to jelly. Finally, trust your gut. When you've done all the due diligence and checked all the boxes, your instinct is your final arbiter. A genuine rapport and trust translate into a smoother project, better results, and fewer headaches. With these tips, dear listener, you're equipped to choose a remodeler who'll transform your bathroom into a beautifully functional masterpiece without the stress of trial and tribulation. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.